do dynamic activities. And the main goal for us is that the learner want to participate and enjoy this process. So let's start.
Good afternoon. And the class will be started with a pre-activity, which is like an icebreaker activity. And what are we looking for with this activity? It's basically introduce you to the topic so that you get related to concepts such as artificial intelligence, plagiarism, data privacy, and the impact on teachers. And talking about the game, it's an interactive PowerPoint game based on the main issues that I mentioned before. There are a total of 12 multiple choice questions, but because of time, we are just look for 6 or 7 questions. And I want to tell you that I'm going to ask randomly, or if you are a volunteer, it's completely okay. And also, I want to mention that if you fail the question, it is okay because I know that probably you don't know much about the topic, so it's okay. Okay, so here is the first question. It says that what is a primary concern regarding AI in education? So there is a volunteer who someone wants to answer the question. Sergio, can you help me with the first question, please?
Yeah, please, and let me move in. And so I turn on my camera.
Okay.
So the first question says, what is a primary concern regarding AI in education?
What do you
I,
think with option? One, two, or three?
what is a primary concern regarding AI in education? Risk of increased plagiarism and cheating, enhanced group collaboration, improve teacher-student relationships. I think there's the first one saying risk of increased plagiarism and cheating, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
Sergio chose the first option, number
Me?
one. Yeah. So that was the correct answer. There is another question that says, which of the following is a benefit of using AI in education? Somebody wants to answer that? Nobody? Paula Devia, can you help me with that question, please?
I think is the second one. It can personalize learning experience for students.
Okay, so perfect. That's the option two. There's another question. It says, how can AI negatively impact students' critical thinking? Juliana Mora, can you answer that, please?
I think the answer is the last option because the thing with AI is that it makes the job easier for us. So we don't feel the need to think.
Yeah, perfect. That's the correct answer. Thank you so much. Okay, there's another question. How can AI system affect data privacy in education? Let me see. Maria Camila, do you want to answer that? Maria Camila Duran.
Let use personal student data without prepared consent. That
What option you say? One, two, or three?
the
Three.
last one,
Yeah, perfect.
three.
That works. Okay. So let's gonna do the last question. And it says, what is a potential downside of AI in writing students' work? Daniel Fernandez. Can you help me with that question, please? What do you think?
Yeah, so what is a potential downside of AI in grading student work? Uh, I will say it could be option B because AI is basically a machine and it may not understand the full context of an answer of a student.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. That was the correct option. So that was all for the pre-activity. And as you can see, I didn't go deeper in explaining each question because you're going to see and learn about it through the class.
We're going to do the second activity. And this activity we will use Educaply. You will have uh, to see some vocabulary related to AI, and you will need to match each word with its definition. The goal in this activity is to improve our reading comprehension and critical thinking skills by exploring how AI impacts teachers within education field. And this will help you to understand key vocabulary and see how AI is transforming education. So let's go to the activity. Okay, here we have the first definition. Who wants to read it or a volunteer, please?
Me. All right. So it'll be a method used to evaluate student learning and performance. Um, student learning and performance. I might say I'm gonna say auto evaluation. I don't know.
Can you read it, chat it?
I said auto evaluation. I don't know if that's good or not.
Okay,
Auto
we will see.
evaluation.
Oh, it's wrong.
All right.
The next one, who wants to participate? Rihanna, are you there?
Yes.
Can you read it, please?
An educational approach that combines online digital media with traditional classroom methods.
Okay, what definition, the word do you think it is?
I, I would say um, blended learning.
It's right. Very good. The next one is the letter C. Who wants to participate? We have a volunteer. Do we have Maria Camila, maybe?
Hello?
Hello? Can you read it?
The C
Yes.
will be. I can see that. Working together among teacher and students in change learning experience. The answer will be collaboration.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. The next one is the letter D. Who wants to participate?
You have to pair up and make a draft of a conversation, like acting. Okay? So one has to act like a teacher and the other one as a student. And you'll have basically to have a conversation about AI in education and issues like plagiarism or regarding any other issue, right? So in order for you to do that, I don't know, maybe you can create a meet, a link meet, and talk through there, and then a couple of minutes, like 8-10 minutes for you to do that. Then you come back and act it out, like here in the class.
Hello.
Wow.
Hello. How are you? I heard
Oh, hi,
about
teacher.
like
Oh, teacher. Hello.
I heard something about ChatGPT or something like that.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you repeat it, please? I think.
Well, I was teaching Camila that she can use ChatGPT and she can do her homework in 5 minutes without you noticing.
I mean, I noticed because something that ChatGPT do is try to make it all perfect, and I think it's obvious that you don't do the homework. Yeah, I think ChatGPT could be a good tool if you how to use it. You can use ChatGPT maybe for a brainstorm or maybe for clarify concepts or something like that, but not to do your homework. You have to do your homework. Okay.
Yes, teacher. You are right. I'm going to do
Okay,
my
guys.
homework.
That's all.
That's it. Wow. Claps, claps, claps. What an acting. What an acting. Well, that's activity number 3. So please.
Yeah. Hold on, Devia. Please pay attention with this question, please.
Approval given after receiving clear information about how personal data will be used.
Do you want to listen again?
Again, please.
Okay. That's okay.
Approval given after receiving clear information about how personal data will be used.
Maybe it could be B.
B? Okay.
The
I
practice
think
of
it's
clearly
transparency.
communicating how data is collected and used, fostering user trust.
What?
I think it's transparency.
Okay. And the last one.
Technology that simulates human intelligence processes, such as learning and decision making.
Okay. That's all. You're doing perfect. Thank you so much.
We will, to round out the session, we will be doing a quiz on Genially. This quiz will evaluate how much you have learned through all this session about AI in education, and we will focus on 3 main topics: plagiarism, privacy issues, and challenges faced by teachers. I will send you the link through the chat of the call, and you will, in the end, have a score, and that will be like the thing, the score that you will get when you answer right or wrong. And that's all. And you have any questions, or you can, if you can go through the link, you tell me. You need to tell me to.
I had 5 out of 5.
Our class use digital tools and interactive activities to explore these ethical issues of AI in education using tools like TED Talks, Educaplay, and Genially, creating like a dynamic and collaborative learning environment. So really, we are really grateful to you to coming to the class. So thank you and bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.